Hi, my name's Maliha, and I'm gonna do some stuff on Happy Cookings with Lima. So let's do it. So this is a shopping mall. It's so big and beautiful. And that's the lake where all the ducks are swimming. The ducks are nice. And then we went there one time and it was so good. Now the ducks are drinking some water and eating some fishies. Ducks are swimming again. And the ducks keep swimming. And there's like another place, so there's a lot of places in this, and there's a beautiful buildings there. It's beautiful. The ducks are nice too, beautiful too. So goodbye.